Tayin mo naman ako.
Exercise extreme caution. Suspects are barricaded and may have planted traps across the premises. Watch your step. Mission failed. The feds are on their way.
Tell me time! Not even a fucking second! Wait lang, maneuver, pit maneuver.
Nang lumalabas na tubig sa kanilang gripo, ngunit hindi naman mapakinabangan.
May tao dito.
Dito. Malibog ang
Andyan, astig. Sa loob niyan, astig. Kanan mo.
Opa!
Lupit ah.
Shotgun ako bago.
Ayun!
Ouch! Ang inang level na 400 ang puta. Sheng Shoshawa! Inang
Ano? Pare, oy!
Uy, JB, pakita mo kay Patrick. Pass mo 5.
Alin?
5. Pas pakita mo sa wall. Ayan, hindi.
Meron na nga niya.
Under right. Hindi, under left. Ayan. Ayan, go. Ay, may timer.
Tumabog agad, no?
Allah Akbar! Sige, badali mo.
Hindi yata pa.
Mas mo na konti.
Ayun na.
Ay,
Allied destroyer has left squadron.
Calling down a sentry!
Pwedeng merchant man.
Watching sentry! Calling down a support weapon!
For fuck's sake!
Wala kayong peli?
Ang galing!
For your thoughts and prayers. A water balloon! May baliw na agad dito.
Well,
May apat ako.
we actually... Oh, fuck. What?
What you gonna do, bitch? What you gonna do? Haha, bulletproof pa. Oh!
Hanggang sa ulo.
Hindi pa sa ulo. Oh, wait, never mind.
Hanggang sa ulo. Bakit may nagsorry?
Pare, fucking...
Kinoriente ka.
Ay, bismillah. Uy, gago.
What the fuck?
Bomb diffuser active.
I tapped him on the stairs.
Shield! This is shield! Fucking shield, bro. Who? Is... What?
Hey,
Wait,
what?
where's Thatcher? What is that angle, bro?
Oh my god, what is that?
What is that angle, bro, with the shield? Disable!
My bad! Oh my god! You went!
You killed him! You
Yo, bro, I
killed
keep
him!
forgetting this team kill.
The diffuser is no longer in
Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. 3. Ano, 3? Wait. I'll breach it! Wait lang.
Oh my
Wait lang, guys. 3!
Go. I'll watch mine.
Sa likod! What is happening? Oy, Seymour!
last stop standing.
What the fuck was that?
Defuse! No, he's coming!
Retract! Sally, retract and then melee him. Retract and then melee.
He's coming!
I feel bad for bro. What is this game? I feel bad for shield.
Umong.
Shield sa right door na lang eh. Oh, dalaw. Oh, dami nila. Oh god. Isa Simsa! Genius! Sheesh!
Genius!
It's a blitz!
Alam mo genius? Alam mo genius?
Oh shit!
Oh, it's over, Jago! It's over, Jago! It's over!
Plan!
Hindi ko kayo marinig. Ano ba? Batayin na lang. Paano mic nyo?
He just knife both of them? Insane work. And the last guy does nothing about it. Bull 44. Oh, what? Oh, what? From behind? Oh, the hatch. Oh my god, bro.
Why did I come back? Bro.
Isa, dalawa.
Nag-inaagad. Hindi ko nakita. Iba palang tao yun. Ano ba?
Okay.
Genius!
Last operator standing.
Genius! Oh wait. Reinforce pala yun. Genius!
Ayo, genius!
Genius!
Kapkatra! Genius! Genius!
Genius!
Genius!
Genius!
God.
I like it now, dahan-dahan pa siya eh. Dahan-dahan pa pumasok eh.
I'm not cheering when I say,
Sneaky dicky like.
I'm not cheering when I say there was an ace.
Genius.
There was...
Activating shock drone.
Swapping mags!
Hostiles in sight.
Oh, that's where you're...
Four last operator standing.
Hey, what's up?
Blocking smoke.
The diffuser is no longer in your possession. One friendly operator remaining. The diffuser is now secured.
Nandito. 5 ping naka-stand still. Literally just standing still. Just stall. Ay wait, umalis na. Peeking. Nasa A.
He's gonna go through, rotate.
Bumalik siya. Okay, I'm just constantly pinging. Naka-prone siya. Nag-crouch siya.
Is she
Nasa A.
He's inside.
Inside the site, yeah.
Tell me if he's leaving.
Yeah. I can't tell. Okay, nice.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful.
Bonk. Oh god, that's scary.
Deadlock po ng ina mo, wag ka na maglaro, tang ina ka.
Attackers win.
Fuck you, bitch!
Guys. Wala mo nagagalaw. Kundi disrespeto to.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Pero bad.
Ay, gumalaw eh. Gusto ito.
Okay, din na.
Palatang makabayan. Palatang makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupkup ako at tinutulungan para maging malakas,
Ma'am,
masipag.
si Roberta po, hinawakan bayag niya.
Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas.